Hello dear students, today we want to speak about scalar multiplication of matrix. Let's consider, for example, matrix A, which is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and we want to obtain matrix 2A. Okay, we should uh, multiply all the elements of the matrix A with number 2. It's very easy. For example, here the first element is 1 and here we have 2A. So it will be 2. Or we can say 1 multiplied with 2. And here we have 2. Again 2 multiplied 2. And here we have 3. 3 multiplied 2. And here we have 4. 4 multiplied 2. And let's write the results. Okay, 2, 4, 6, and 8. Let's consider another example. For example, we have matrix B, which equal to 1, 2, 8. And we want to obtain minus B. Okay. One multiplied minus 1, 2 multiplied minus 1, 8 multiplied minus 1. And the final result will be minus 1, minus 2, minus 8. And next example, we have matrix C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 6, 5, 20. And we want to obtain, for example, 3C. Okay. Here we have 1 with 3, it will be 3, 2 with 3, it will be 6, 3 with 3, it will be 9, 4 with 3, it will be 12, 8, 3, 24, 6, 3, 18, 5, 3, 15, 23, 60. Like this. It's very easy topic, and I hope you understand it, and thank you for watching this video.